What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money, okay? And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, so today, again, congratulations to those of you who took those. Because a couple of days ago, I gave you guys the signals. Like I said, I always give them for free. Okay, I don't ask you to join no Discord, no Telegram, no X page, none of that. And I definitely will not ask you to pay me for anything. All I require from you is just subscribe, turn on your notifications, share these videos, and comment, because as always I like to read your opinions. Okay, so that's all I require from you guys. I'm not those guys who go over there and asking you for money or ask you to subscribe for this whatever signals or prices they are giving out there. I'm not that guy. I give it to you completely free. So that being said, let's look at the market. Okay, because for the past couple days I've been telling you guys, those that win are those that take the risk. Okay, those, if you want to win in this crypto market, you always have to go in the opposite direction of everybody. Because like excuse me, okay. I have something stuck right there. I didn't see it earlier. But anyways, like I always say, if you want to win, okay, you always have to go in the opposite direction. A couple of days ago, I was telling you guys, it's time to set in your trades. It's time to set in, your leverage, your spot, start buying in, because the market was about to run. Okay, but before we get into that, let's start. Like I said, it's the market update. Let's look at what the market is doing today, or how far we are up there, if we met the targets, or if we are midways, or what's going on. That said, let's start with the crypto bubbles. Let's go crypto bubbles right there. On the crypto bubbles, in the last hour, you can see everything is red. Everything is red because, like I said, market does not go up in a straight line. The move has started. The only thing is taking a breather. Okay, so we are going to look at the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. For this run, I chose King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Those are the ones that I chose. So let's look for the past day. On the past day, as you can see, only a few, like I said, King Casper. See, Casper is up. Okay, Casper is running 3.6%. That's what Casper is running. Just look at the numbers. As you can see, for the past hour, like I said, it's taking a breather, 1.1% down. But on the day, Casper is up 3.6. Casper is up 3.6%. Okay, now let's look at Jasmine. Jasmine, JAS. On the past hour, Jasmine is down 2.3%, and on the daily, Jasmine is still down 3.4%. But like I'm telling you guys, this is an opportunity. You want to get in right now. Don't wait. Okay, so look at Quant, QNT, the one many people was calling for $40, and I kept telling you guys that this thing is not going lower. It's already bottomed. But anyways, let's look at Quant. You can see Quant on the past hour, it is down 1.1%, and on the past day, it is down 1.2%. Basically, Jasmine and Quant, they are going sideways. But anyways, like I said, this is the time you are supposed to make your moves. Okay, don't sit and wait for the market to start going up before you decide that, yeah, I want to get in. This is the time you want to get in. guys. Okay, now let me take you to trading view and I will show you exactly again, because it's not the first time. Again, I will show you again why it is time for you to start making your moves right now. And I will also show you what I did, and we will check on my trades and we will check at everything. But first, let's go to the trading view. Trading view, where do I have you? Right here. Okay, on the trading view, we are about to start first of all with Casper. Okay, we're starting with Casper because, like I said, the king. Okay, you don't want to miss you don't want to mess with the king. Those of you who follow my channel, if you remember a couple of days ago, I told you guys Casper was forming an inverse head and shoulder. Inverse head and shoulder, which was pretty bullish. Okay, the last shoulder was formed, and I told you guys we was going to break out. We had a resistance right here at 15.8. Now the target for this complete setup, or for this inverse head and shoulder, is up there at 17. As you can see, I do have my line drawn already, and as you can see, we broke out through the resistance. And I told you guys yesterday, look at that, the ribbon. We came and retested the ribbon and we are still going up. So the target for this move is up there at 17 cents. Now we know the news coming out. We know the Casplex has already announced that their smart contracts are almost here. Okay, the beta phase is going to be open on June 30th, and people will start trying it out. So this thing will run, and when I mean run, we are looking at a 25 cents Casper, or even a 30 cents, because once they open beta launches, and then the mainnet will launch soon after that, and then you will have all these projects that's to build on. All that momentum, the exchanges, that is what they are waiting for, plus the migration, which I will show you guys in a minute, is almost completed, and it will be 100% any moment from now. You will see this thing run to almost probably 35-40 cents, and once exchange is listed, we are looking at Casper, mark my word, we are looking at Casper 60 cents in a record time, 60 cents or even $1 in a record time. So mark my words, because I'm telling you guys, this is about to happen. Now look on the 4-hourly. See that's the 4-hourly. Like I told you guys, I did measure the inverse head and shoulder. Okay, it broke out, and here, look up here, this is where your target is at. It's going to be at 17.2. 17.2. This thing will take off in no time. So guys, this is the time you want to put in your trade. If you're leverage trading, okay, if you're leverage trading, this is the time you want to leverage trade. Open your position, scale it up so bad, I mean so high, as much as you can, making sure that your liquidation is way low. Like I will show you my trades and you will see where my liquidations are, and that's why I don't have to worry about market swinging up or down. So that said, let's look at the next coin that we're dealing with, which is Quant QNT. We look in the Binance. Again, I told you guys yesterday, Quant was breaking out. A lot of people were asking for, they were talking about a $40 Quant, and I thought that was so funny. Excuse me for the noise, I'm outside, so there's a plane going over my head right now. So I told you guys that Quant was not going down there, because it is so simple. Look at the signals, look at everything. Okay, we are on the 4-hourly. Go back to my videos yesterday. Okay, if you go back, you will see that I told you guys, see, look at the ribbon. The ribbon was curving. Okay, we were in the apex of this triangle. Okay, that means Quant came, tested it, and broke above the triangle. Okay, the target here we are looking at, we need to be at that 80 cents. I mean $80. We need to be at $80 on the hourly. Okay, on the hourly, and on the 4-hourly, we are looking at to breaking above the ribbon completely, and then try to retest the moving average, which is at $84. But let me take you to the 1 hour right quick, so we'll see everything much more clearer. See on the 1 hourly, Now, this is what's happening. When Casper broke out, on the 1 hour, it formed this inverse head and shoulder. We are looking for the completion of the second shoulder. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that. See that? Inverse head and shoulder. You can see the first shoulder, the head, the second shoulder is what we are forming right now. So guys, this thing, when you measure it, it takes us right into 83-84 cents, depending on the point. I mean 82-84 dollars, depending on the breakout point. Guys, that's what I'm telling you guys. This thing's not going down no more than it was already. So yeah, I need to keep on adjusting the shoulder because I need to find out where it's going to break out. So right now we are touching there, and I need to drag this way. So yeah, this is not going to 40 cents. I mean to $40. I don't know why I keep saying cents on the dollar. Maybe I'm thinking about Casper a lot. I'm a Casper Maxi after all, so you guys bear with me. This thing is not going to $40. We are aiming right now at $84. Okay, once we reach that $84, we are going to aim higher at 96. From 96, then our ultimate target, which is 104. Guys, we need to break 104. Once we do that, oh my goodness. Once we break 104, Casper will be looking at 120. If we can break above 120, we're looking at 150. We break 150, there is no resistance whatsoever, okay, till $200 or 250 thereabout. Excuse me. Welcome to Houston. It was just sunny a moment ago. Now it's raining. Anyways, let's keep on going. Now let's look at the third coin that we are trading in this my millionaire journey, which is Jasmy. Let's go back to trading view. Let's look for Jasmy, Jasmy. Let's look at Jasmy. Okay, yeah, we got Jasmy. Yesterday I told you guys the same thing. I said, in a couple days ago, a lot of guys were calling for 2 cents or 2.4, 2.3, something like that. And I told you guys, Jasmy is not going that low. Jasmy is about to reverse, and we're going to get 2.7 or 2.8, and from there we are going to start running up. Check my videos. I always keep my receipts. So if you see, this is on the 1 hour. Okay, pull out my arrow. Jasmy is looking very, very bullish right now, because right now we are fighting. Look at that. This is the ribbon curving already, and we are fighting. We are getting squeezed between the ribbon and the 200 moving average. So Jasmy, sooner, very, very soon, we are going to break above the moving average. Okay, and once we do that, once we break above the moving average, we are going to retest the important resistance, which is around 3.5. 3.5, we'll be looking at 4 cents. 4 cents, if we can conquer that, Jasmy is looking at 5 cents. And if we can conquer 5 cents, Jasmy is looking at 10 cents. Okay, so let's go to the daily, or probably let's try the 4 hourly first. 4 hourly, right there. Okay, as you can see, I already have it there. I already have my lines drawn. For a couple days now, I've been showing you guys this, because Jasmy looks like it's forming a potential W, which is one leg. It retested it, look at that, at 3.2, 3.3. The potential W is going that way to retest it again. Okay, so if you can draw those lines and you take from the lowest point, which is here. Okay, let's draw it for the fun of it. Let's draw a trend line from the lowest of the point, which is here, to the resistance there. We take that, we put it on a breakout point. Okay, like I said, look at it. This thing puts Jasmy right. Let's go This pin puts Jasmine right there, 4 cents. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. 4 cents, which is a resistance, almost above a major resistance, because we have one first resistance. Okay, when you look at this, the first resistance we have to deal with is going to be right there, 3.7, 3.8, depends on how you draw your lines. Okay, once we break that, that means we're going up that 4 cents. The second resistance we have to deal with is right here, 4.5 cents thereabout, again depending on how you draw your lines. Now let me take you on the weekly. You see, because this resistance is there from way back. If you can go, see, way back. Once we get up, once we go above these resistances, like let's say the first one is here, we already did it, 2.8. That's what I was telling you guys, we're not going below that. The second one it is here, 3.7. We need to go past that. After 3.7, the main major resistance is at 20 cents. That means the rest, like let's say the 8 cents and the 10 cents, even the 12 cents, they are resistances, but they will be easily broken. They won't give us so much headache like these ones that we just had, which we had to cross them twice. But I'm telling you guys, if you are smart, if you are smart about your trades, now is the time you need to get in there. Okay, now is the time you need to get in and start, on your spot tradings, put in your trade and sit. If you know how to leverage trade, put in your trade, your level position, and scale. Guys, scale it down. That way, scale it up. That way, your liquidation will not be met if price swings. Okay, that said, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because if you do, you are going to lose your money. But if you are confident, or if you know what you're doing, I do have my Phemex and Bydfi links below. Okay, you can sign up, get the bonuses, and start trading by either following me, follow somebody else, or just follow your instincts. Okay, it's that simple. Now that being said, I am going to show you my trades. Okay, let's see how my trades are doing, but the long term ones on Bydfi and the short term ones on the Phemex. So first, let's go to Bydfi. Oh, my Bydfi, this one. Okay, that's Bydfi. And guys, this went all the way down. My total went all the way down to $21,000 from my all-time high, which was $38,000. And I told you guys I'm not worried about it because the bull run would take off. Today, it has started to recover. I'm back up again to $26,000, which is awesome, very awesome. Looking at my contracts again, see my contracts, my quant. Like I told you guys, this thing was going to take off. For almost a week or some weeks, I was at 1%. But as you can see, my quant is up 5%, which gives me $234. But that is not even close to what this is about to do, because quant is about to hit that 104. By the time we hit that 104, this position will be worth 2,500. And I'm telling you guys, this is about to happen very soon, sooner than many people expect. Okay, now on the finance, that's what we use to make the exchange fees, and we use to make money to scale up our positions. Like I tell you guys, once you learn how to trade on the finance, you will not use your own money anymore. As you can see, my on the finance, I was up yesterday almost $1,000, but I didn't take profits. Like I always show you guys, I am targeting $1.50 on the finance. That will make me almost 2,000 or 2,500. But today I'm up 54%, almost $700, which is awesome. Now looking at my Jasmine and my Casper trade, okay, like I told you guys, I scale them up. I scale them up. I don't worry about the price swinging. On my Jasmine trade, I am up 51%. which is $2,100, almost $2,200. My liquidation is zero because I scaled it up. I have $4,000 on this position. On Casper, I am up 58%, which is almost $4,800. Again, I scaled it up that my liquidation is at 3 cents and it will not reach there. See that? I scaled it up to 8,200 US dollars. See what I'm telling you? Now, price can swing as much as it wants. I know for sure Jasmine's not going to zero, so I don't have to worry about it. I know for sure Casper is not going to hit 3 cents. It is the opposite. Casper is going to 20 cents sooner than a lot of people think. So that's what I am banking on. So Casper going to 20 cents. Let's see. I have $10 because, like I've always said, I believe Casper this run will hit $10 or close to $10, something like that. But let's say 20 cents. At 20 cents, this position will make me $8,000, as you can see right there. See? Like I told you guys. But with the smart contract, this thing can even go as higher at 60 cents. At 60 cents, this position will make me $48,000. There you go. Now, let's say tier ones, Binance, Coinbase, and whatever you want to call them, they list Casper. Casper runs to $1. This thing will make me $87,000. And that is just the beginning. Like I said, I'm not taking profits on these trades until the top of the bull run or close to the top of the bull run as possible, because nobody knows where the top is going to be. But as you can see with the indicators, you can tell where that we are close to it. I have a special one I use that usually help me out with that stuff. Now let's go to my short-term trades. On my short-term trades, which are on Phemex. Okay, let's log in there. As you can see, like you guys also know, these trade positions, they all went down to almost 5,800 or 5,500. I can't recall because I don't keep tab on that. But right now, I am up 7,100, almost 7,200, which is very awesome. And now, on my contracts, you guys remember my Jasmine contract. I made this contract and I was down minus 98 or $95. But as you can see, I have recovered. It has recovered 17%, $157. On my Casper, okay, Casper is doing pretty good. It's going up. Actually, I am up 17%. Yesterday I was up 10%, but today I'm up 17%, which is almost $1,000. Okay, now, like I said, you need to know what you want from this. From Jasmine, for example, my first target is 5 cents, 0.05, and once that gets there, this thing will make me 3,500. That's the first target. Then we reevaluate the market, see how good or bad it is doing, if I want to take profits or not on my short term. Or we wait for 8 cents. 8 cents, we're talking about $8,000. Look at it right there. Okay? Or we wait for 12 cents. At 12 cents, we are talking about $15,000 right there. Like I said, this thing is about to run. If we go past 12 cents without any problems, the next target will be 20 cents. That's when the next target will be for Jasmine. And at 20 cents, my short-term trades, which I will definitely take profit, is going to be worth $29,000, almost $30,000. Okay, so that is what I'm targeting with this Jasmine short-term trade. And for Casper, like I said, on this trade, we are targeting, first of all, it's going to be 20 cents. Okay, I'm not going to take profits at 20 cents because I know we're going to run past that. 20 cents, that will give me 2,200. Okay, next target will be 25 cents. That will give me $4,000. Again, I'm not taking profits on that because I know this is about to run even higher. Let's go 60 cents. 60 cents, we're talking about $17,000. Then yeah, this is when I start thinking about taking profits, probably 30% or 40% profits or something like that. Now, with all that happening, I'm telling you, tier ones are going to list this thing sooner. Now, I may even let it run until the first listing. And when that happens, that may even go up to $1. At a dollar, we're talking about $32,000. And if this happens, I'm taking 50% of my profits and leave the rest, let it rise for my short term. Like I said, this is how we roll on this one. So let's go on let's check the news right quick, because I want to show you guys something here. Quant. I told you guys, Quant is going to run. Look at what it just released 2 hours ago. The overledger is now available. Look at that. I told you guys. You can even go to their YouTube channel. I don't want to play it here. I don't know if they're going to block me they're going to cut my video down for playing it. But you can go over there and watch it. Overledger is ready. This is what I've been telling you guys about. Okay. Let's go here. This is what I've been telling you guys about. Things that are coming up for Quant. That's why you see the price has started to move. Overledger is already available. Why do you think so? Project Rosalind and the stable coins being approved very, very soon, which will lead for banks. Okay, banks are going to start asking you for you to let them, keep custody of your crypto. Or if you have this meme coin, you have the Solana shit coin, you have King Casper, you have Quant, you have whatever you get. For banks to store your crypto, they need the Quant overledger. The overledger can store any chain. You see what I'm telling you about? That is why Quant is about to take off. People call me crazy when I tell you guys that this run, I'm not surprised to see Quant at $5,000 or even $10,000 in this run. I'm not surprised, because there is a lot coming for Quant right now. Okay, so as you can see, you can now go and play around, look at the overledger and whatever. But one thing, you cannot use the overledger without Quant. That is why it's about to be a supply shock. So all these banks, for them to use the overledger to store whoever's crypto, they have to buy and hold Quant. So Quant supply is about to run down. So far, the last time I checked, we only had 2% of Quants in exchanges. Quant is about to run, guys. This thing is about to take off. The same goes with Jasmine. Jasmine with their new partnership with Sony PlayStation, their new partnership with Apple, with all this stuff they're working on, guys. Excuse me. All these things they're working on, Jasmine is about to take off, and Jasmine has no resistance. Has no resistance at all. These minor resistance at 4, 5, 8, and 12 cents, they are minor resistances, which when Jasmine takes off, guys, this thing will hit 20 cents in a record time. Casper, I'm telling you guys, Casper is better than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I keep saying it. If I had Ethereum, okay, free Ethereum, because the one I have, I staked it. That was my mistake. I staked my Ethereum and I can't take it out till the expiration date. If I had it available right now, I will switch it to Casper without even thinking twice. That's what I will do, because Casper is about to kill Ethereum. Once these smart contracts once this smart contract come on, guys, I told you guys a couple days ago, 95% of the stablecoin transactions are going to be on Casper, because Casper is faster. Okay, excuse me. Because Casper is more efficient. Okay, so Casper with a smart contract is a way of taking over. It's going to take over Ethereum, take over the shit coin called Solana, take over Tron, take over everything. So Casper is about to run, guys. Casper is about to go even higher than anybody imagined. That's why when I tell guys Casper is going to go to $10, people call me crazy. But you're about to see. The same way they called me crazy when it was at less than a cent and I started buying it. A lot of people call me crazy. Now where we are today. Okay, so look at the signs. Look at the sign. So let's check right quick. Show you right quick. I want to take you here. Look at this. Okay, the trading today 16.3 cents. Market cap is already running again. We are almost at $4 billion. Okay, hash rate is maintaining, which is pretty good, but that's not what I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys the migration. See, 6% at any moment now. This thing has been sitting at 6% left for days. At any moment now, this thing will be at 100%. At the 100%. Now, once it reaches 100%, I guarantee you guys that smart contracts, the mainnet is going to go live. And once smart contract goes live, exchanges are going to start listing Casper. This is what they are waiting for. So that being said, please, again, this is not financial advice, but please, you need to buy minimum of 10,000 Casper. You can thank me later. Just buy 10,000 Casper, guys. This wealth transfer, you do not want to let it go by you without you doing anything. Like I always say, if you know, you know. Guys, you need to be in it. Don't watch it. You need to be in it. Don't watch from outside the lines. Okay? So that being said, thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe, comment, share, so that other people who are aspiring to go from zero to millionaire status, just like you and me, could see this video. Okay? Please, as a token of appreciation, please take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.